In the US now, it's like a Sunday. So in the Philippines, it's Monday, 'di ba? So in the other countries, it's like ano lang, yung time na yung diferensya nila. Yes, I am. Mac Deli, hello, Shawi. Thank you again for coming back. I know, I mean for tapping, sending me gifts. Hello. Why there's so many black in the Bigo? Hi, Teddy. Mr. Black, Daddy Black, Black, King Black. Basta great because that's your choice, guys. So it's okay. Hala. Hello, hello, hello. Ay, sorry, guys. I thought it's gonna fall down. Sorry. The support is like ano, parang kulang yung support niya, guys. There. Oh, I see. Look, may what up in my face. It's like a wiggle. Nagwiggle yung mukha ko, guys. Haha. I like black. Actually, I don't even care. I don't even care the colors, guys. So, I respect any colors, guys. So, if you ask me if I like black, yes, I like black. I love white. I love everything, guys. So, please don't be scared of me. Okay? Usually, as you can see, I'm wearing black. Look, my matpad cover is black. So, who cares about the colors? Okay? That was just a color, guys. Hello, thank you, guys. How I wish I'm gonna get the 2K. Can anyone send me gift? You like me? I like everyone's. I like everyone's who is very kind, 'di ba? Because kind is one of the most greatest gift that we can share to everyone. Kindness. Hi, Pakdi. Where to buy this dress? Actually, I just bought this in online. Hi, Gatumak, Shawi. Yeah, I just bought this in online, guys. I have this, like, five, five set. This is a set. You mean like me? What do you mean? Like you, like a personal, like that one? Well, actually, guys, I'm not really that easy to get attached with anyone. So, please expect me to, to know you better before I like you. Okay? Yes, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, everyone in the US. And then, happy morning in the Philippines. Okay? So, in the other country, afternoon, like almost night na din sa ibang country. Hi, Unknown, Shawi. Hi, Shengla, Shawi. Can anyone send me gifts, guys? Thank you. Guys, if you want to see me dancing, just follow me. Tap in my profile, follow me, just visit my post, and then share this live and tap. Please, I got the 7,000, guys. I hope I can get the 10K tap. Guys, sorry guys, I have to cover it just because I'm not wearing some down. I didn't wear some cloud. Click on 3 times line. I always do it. Click on the username, then click on the username, click on the sign next to you. Ah, I got it. Wait, now I got it. Wait, I have to check it. You dance? Oh, yeah, I dance, but but as of now, I can't dance just because I have to save my energy for later. Okay, guys. Okay, no, I know. Now I got it. Want to remove. Ate Che, Ate Che, beb ko. Uy, grabe siya. Kung makabeb, wagas. Hi, Clyde. Wait lang. Okay, click on 3 lines. Click in user, then click administrators, then click on the sign next to you. Okay. Click. Ah, there. Oh my God, you're the best. You're the one who only teach me this. Huh? Click the user and click the. Okay, I found it. User. Oh gosh, yeah, I see. I see now. Okay. So I have to remove now. Sorry guys, so everyone. to my admin who is not active. Sorry guys, but I have to remove you guys. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I want you to stay, but sorry guys. I have to do it now. Yes, yes. Who else? Ito. Who is this? I can't remember. Yes. Yes. Who is Mike? I was thinking, who is Mike? Mike is my admin. And who is this? There. I missed you now. How come you miss me, huh? Guys, I already reached the 8,000. If done sure nice, oh. Yeah, I always dance so nice. I always make your day, guys, every time I dance. So if you want to see me dance, just follow me. Yeah, I got it. I removed like, I think 4 admins. Got 2% milk. I did it. So now you're my admin. So welcome to my life. So I hope you be a better admin, okay? Thank you so much for teaching me. I do really appreciate it. Followed you. Let's follow each other. Okay, here guys, if you want to follow you back, you have to you have to send me gift like 50. I do really appreciate the 51 and then we're gonna follow you back, okay? Before it's just a free, but now I have an admin. So, yeah, as mate God to knock. Yeah, already followed. Okay, Mr. Black, that's good. Hi, Black. Ba't daming Black? Diba? Sabi ko nga, kasi, actually guys, alam mo Black, that's why Black comes to my life just because I told to my love that I love Black. I love Black. I don't even care what's your color. You're a Pinoy, you're a Mexican, you're Italian, you're American, you're a black man. What's that? You're a Batman or what's kind of any kind, 'di ba? So I do really appreciate it. It's you're from Korean, you're from Japanese, you're what? What else? China. Oh, that's okay for me. I don't even care about that. As long as you are kind, you are spreading kind to everyone. I do really appreciate it. Diba? Because of you. That's why my name Black Bang. Oh, that's why your name is Black because of me. Wow, I do really appreciate it. Thank you. Hi, don't touch me, shall we? Ina mo. Ina mo, nasa na ba yung tang? Para maisa na. Hi, Brian. Oh my God, GSC, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the 9999 likes. I do really appreciate it, guys. Guys, actually, it's not really hard to tap, 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 diba? So, please tap, 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 tap. Welcome, Black. You came to the right spot. Hope to see you around. Yeah, 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 yeah. Thank you, thank you. Thank you to everyone who joining me, Mr. Black, Black, Dark Black, King Black. What's the whatsoever choo choo choo. So welcome to my life, Welcome to my life, guys. Live, it's not live. Kasi pag if I'm going to say welcome to my life, it's like, gosh, ang dami nyo na guys. Joke, not not enough more. What's the mean? Hello, thank you guys. Do you want me to back my tap in there where I have to. There, gotcha. I look so pretty in there. I got to twirl